Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I want to give out a shout out to Vicky from 70mai. This one is the 70mai Dashcam, dashboard camera recorder Pro. Has a 1944p compared to 1080p. This one has a parking monitor, a car camera, and 2-inch LCD WDR screen, night vision, and a 140-degree wide-angle G sensor, loop recording, and motion detection, app Wi-Fi, car DVR, and it has a 5 megapixel. It is 2.5 times of 1080p, so it gives you much more clarity. And it also offers a parking mode 24-hour monitor. G sensor automatic emergency recording. Loop recording, which is automatic override the oldest locked files and capture every moment of your driving. So it has a built-in Wi-Fi, which can connect with any smartphones, and easy installation. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I will be including on the link within the description so you can check out the item. Wow, look at this. Pretty nice packaging. I'm not sure what this one's for, but let me check real quick. Wow. This one is the 70mai GPS mount holder. And it is made in China. Let's go ahead and open this real quick. So I guess this goes over there on the dash cam, and you can mount this. Come with this instruction booklet. I believe this is like a screen protector. And here's a user manual. Go and then open this up. So like always, I'm going to give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. And then here's the spec. So here's the dash cam. So you can clip on this. So I believe this is the GPS module then. And then you could, there's a 2-inch LCD right here. And here are the buttons. And you could rotate this. So it's a pretty nice unit. So here is a Smart Dash Cam Pro instruction manual. So you connect the USB on this side panel right here. And then there is your memory card slot, which is a micro SD card. You have to use trans flash, has to be class 10. So here is a speaker. And then this is the power button, the big bar right here. And then also the function button right there. So I gotta hold the power for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So maybe the battery needs to be charged. So there's your microphone hole right there. And then this is the 5 megapixel camera lens. I believe this LED indicator. So when you turn it on, so the mounting bracket, this one has 2 of the rubber feet right there. So you won't, so the camera, so the dash cam cannot pick up the noise vibration. And then the one with the GPS module, this one has a long rubber feet right here. So it's prevent from vibration or making the noise. So this dash cam cannot pick up any rocking noise or whatever. Anyway, I'll be charging this unit up before I do a in-depth full review about this unit. So it's the same thing, screen protector. I want to clarify this real quick. And this one is not screen protector. This one, you gotta mount this. This one is called the electrostatic sticker. It's like a screen protector. So you gotta peel this off first, but you gotta make sure your windshield is very, very clean without any lint or bubble. So you peel this off, you stick this on to your windshield, and then after that, either you're gonna put this mounting bracket or the GPS mounting module. Be sure to put it correct way, because once you put this on the windshield, you're gonna put this on this plastic sticker or the electrostatic sticker, and then you're gonna mount this. So I see I put it upside down. So you gotta make sure the correct position. So the windshield is slanted like this, and you gotta be sure to mount this correctly. So this one will be sliding down like that, and then mounted like this. If you've mounted wrong way, it's not gonna allow you to rotate the camera correctly, okay? For example, if you mount this upside down, and then this is going to be in the way of the lens, and you cannot rotate the lens all the way down, so you'll be shooting this on your roof. So you got to be careful when you mount this onto your windshield. You need to mount it this way. So as you can see, it is covering the lens, but it is allowing you to rotate to look down. So this plastic is not going to be in the way, okay? Unless you tail all the way up, but you're not going to do that anyway, so. And then come with this USB charging cable. And a prying tool. And then your secret light adapter. It is in dual, as a dual port. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.